All right, let's try this again.
Alright guys,
You messing?
we're not gonna be at spindle speed 2000
God. Cranking it.
We're gonna drill the heck out of
at
it.
1425.
We got some holes to drill, man. We gotta get in and get out.
Misses like this. That's why you gotta look at the screen.
Alright, let's look at our program. We got a tool number 3 tool change, right? You got absolute in there. That's good, you need that. You need your G54, G00, rapid it above the first hole location, correct? MO3 S1000. Like I said guys, was this gonna work? Yes. But usually you have your spindle speed first, then you have your M03, right? But it's on the same line, so it's still gonna work. Then we have our G43. Try to get used to, right after you put your G43, to put your H right next to it, right? Because that way it still stays consistent. G43, you know you need your H, right? So try to have it right next to it. So it's gonna come to Z1. Then it's gonna rapid to 0.5 and peck at 0.5. You know how long this is gonna take? Let's watch it.
Run out of 100? 100%? Just kidding.
Remember guys, memory, correct commands. If you're not on that page of distance to go, you gotta page up until you're on that page. Alright?
Here we go. Start. Running through the program. Here we go.
Got the Rona? Yeah.
Alright, so that's 1 inch. It stopped, correct?
Mm-hmm. Next line.
0.5.
0. Pecking.
Oh. Beautiful. Thing of beauty. Where's the pool at?
G83, so we're pecking.
Alright, so understand that when it's in modal, it's gonna do the first hole. And if you're on single block, it's not gonna stop after each peck. It's gonna continue going until it finishes that cycle.
Okay.
Does
So
that
it
make
finishes
sense?
that hole.
The
Yeah.
whole line of pecking.
Now, if we push the green button, it's gonna go to the next location and continue doing that hole. All right. So here we go.
If you look here, you got distance to go.
It looks like it's
Z.
doing it. Yeah, it's wasting a peck.
Yeah, it's a waste of pecking.
Now, listen up, guys.
The G43 should be a Z0.
Or maybe his rapid should be at 0.1. Not as rapid. His R plane, not as rapid. I'm in R plane. How did we figure out Q?
How did y'all come up with that number, 340,000?
I think all we did is like took the total length and divided it. I don't know.
Normally, guys, you would want to have that at least at Q.2.
Oh, okay. 200,000.
Yeah. Because we have to understand that high-speed steel drills, they're very weak. They're very frail, right? If we take too much out of each peck, it's gonna make the tool life be a lot
Shorter.
less.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So Q.2, and then this R.5.
0.1.
Huh?
0.1.
0.1. Me? 0.50.
0.05.
Yeah. So R. 0.1. Do we realize what that difference is?
The
With
R
just
plane
what we
distance.
made. Right? I could have run that program and it would have probably taken, let's say, 5 minutes. Right?
Now that takes
Just
3 and a
because I
half.
had that 0.5 on there. Now, guess how much time I saved
A minute
by
and a
just
half.
a minute and a half. But if we're talking about 100 parts,
That's an hour and a half. You just say
it's a long time, right?
at least with 90, yeah, an hour and 40 minutes.
And then our feed rate, I like to live life on the edge.
So at 17 would have been all right. All right, let's run it.
Alright, so I can crash. Here we go.
We're gonna run it again. Distance to go. We're down there about to peck in.
That's place.
That comes up back to R so fast you can't even tell that it came out of the park.
Yeah. And that's only at 25%.
Jeez, 100% you can't even see that. Wow. Get back to home. Part is done. And the program is finished.
Too easy?
Too complicated. Muy difícil.